everyone, this is Xyncademy's explainer assistant. And for those who are interested, today I'm going to teach you how to enroll in the GVA course. So usually we put our packages inside this website. We have offers.xyncademy.com. If you want to be an expert VA and you want to enroll in the 99 peso package that we have, just go to offers.xyncademy.com. Click here the button enroll now or book now. It actually has a countdown here that says how many days or hours are left before our live workshop. You can have access immediately to the supplementary courses, the guidebook, the pre-training materials, and pre-recorded guides there inside the website after you sign up here. But our live introductory workshop would be here in the countdown. So hurry up because slots are, running out. Okay, so going back, we have here enroll now button. Just go there and you will see here your order details. We also have here the means for you to pay. If you're asking what are the available payment methods, here they are. Upon checkout, you will be seeing that. And most of these are automated or semi-automated, so you can easily pay your order. The basic package that we have right now in our GVA workshop is only 99 pesos per month. So you can easily pay that, check that out, and I'm sure you have a budget for it. Okay, so just put here your information so that when our staff will verify your enrollment, your name, last name, your phone number to contact you, just in case we need to inform you about certain things, and also upon verification of your account, etc. We also have here your email address where you will be receiving updates and also activation or information about your enrollment. Alright, so billing details, your order, and also your payment method. The payment method of your choice, whatever is applicable and accessible to you, just put it here, and then after filling out the information, just click place order. Let's try here, putting a name. Let's just say, for example, this is my name. My address would be... Please make sure that this one is complete. Please make sure to put your email address here. So your phone number, email address. Make sure this one is valid. And if you have a coupon code, just put it here. Pick the payment method of your choice and place your order. Afterward, you will be redirected to the payment portal. And in here are the instructions on how you can pay. Please make sure that you pay the invoice within the allowed time. You can download the QR code or scan this on your phone to pay if you're using your laptop or your cell phone. Once you have paid, our admissions team will verify your enrollment and you will have access to it immediately once they have activated your account. So that's it for how to register or enroll in the GVA program. Once again, it's Sia, and nice to meet all of you. See ya!